Hi everyone, my name is Ferice Elton Gonika and my metric number B0624103882 and this is Group 1. Our presentation is on creativity and innovation management and we will be exploring the rise and the fall of Nokia, one of the most powerful lessons in business adaptation. Hope you will find our analysis insightful. In the introduction, focus on the rise and fall of the mobile phone giant Nokia. So, starting with the background, founded in 1865, Nokia was the top phone maker. At its peak in 2008, it held 40% of the global market. Known for the durability and its iconic slogan, connecting people. Next, the decline stage. So, everything changed when the iPhone launched in 2007 and Android followed in 2008. Nokia made key mistakes such as stuck with the old software, missed the app revolution, and bet everything on Windows Phone. By 2013, it sold its phone business to Microsoft. So, why Nokia? It's a powerful warning. Even market leaders can fall fast if they don't adapt. So, Nokia actually had touchscreen tech early, but its culture was too slow and proud to change. This shows adapting is more important than just having a technology lesson for any industry.
Greetings, my name is Ali Imran, and let's move on to our problem diagnosis using the SWOT framework. SWOT stands for strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, and it helps us understand why Nokia failed to adapt during the smartphone revolution. At its peak in 2008, Nokia controlled almost 40% of the global mobile phone market. Its strengths were clear: world-class hardware engineering, leadership durability, and a powerful supply chain. But these very strengths became a trap. Leadership believed hardware alone would always win, and they underestimated the growing importance of software ecosystems. On the weakness side, Nokia relied heavily on the outdated Symbian operating system. Developers found it complex and unattractive compared to iOS and Android. Internally, the company suffered from a bureaucracy and a culture of fear, where managers hesitated to report problems. This slowed decision making and stifled innovation. Externally, opportunities were emerging in open platforms and app driven ecosystems. Android offered a free collaborative model that Nokia could have joined, but instead they rejected it to protect Symbian. Meanwhile, threats from Apple and Google completely redefined the market. Consumers no longer wanted just durable phones, they wanted mobile computers with seamless user experiences. In summary, the SWOT analysis shows that Nokia's downfall was not about lacking technology, but about failing to manage strategic innovation. Their strengths turned into weaknesses, their opportunities were ignored, and their threats were underestimated. This mismatch between internal culture and external disruption explains why Nokia lost its leadership position. That's all from me. Let's move on to the next one.
A good day to everyone. I'm Tarshini Ganesan. Today, I will be presenting about creative and innovative solution based on the case study of Nokia. This focuses on four key areas and I will be presenting about two of them, which is management and structure and system and process. Firstly, in terms of management and structure, Nokia practiced a rigid leadership that limited software innovations and employee creativity. This reduced its ability to adapt to rapid changes in the smartphone industry. Secondly, decision making at Nokia was highly centralized, which slowed response to market changes and delayed innovations. Important opportunities were missed as a result. In addition, Nokia's culture of innovation weakened due to fear of failure. Employees were discouraged from experimenting and sharing new ideas, causing innovations to decline. Moving on to system and process, Nokia used long and rigid development cycles. Thus, delays increased time to market and reduced competitiveness. Furthermore, Nokia had a weak software strategy. While strong in hardware, its reliance on Symbian reduced ecosystem competitiveness compared to Android and iOS. Lastly, quality improvement focused mainly on hardware reliability, while users' experience was overlooked. This reduced customer satisfaction and brand loyalty. In conclusion, by improving leadership, decision making, innovation culture, and internal system, Nokia could have innovated faster and remained competitive in the smartphone market. That's all from me. Thank you.
Good day, Doctor. I'm Yashbindra Kanisa. I will present the continuum of creative innovation and solution. One of the Nokia biggest weaknesses is its heavy reliance on hardware-based sales. While this approach worked in the past, the smartphone era required companies to move toward ecosystem-driven business model that combine hardware, software, and services. Nokia should have defined its value proposition by focusing on user experience, integrated digital, and open platforms such as Android. In terms of revenue, Nokia depended too much on handset sales, which became less profitable over time. To overcome this, Nokia could have introduced subscription-based services and partnership with telecom operator to generate required income. Customer engagement was another missed opportunity. By building a strong developer ecosystem and involving customer through feedback, platform and loyalty program, Nokia could have strengthened innovation and brand loyalty. Finally, market repositioning towards emerging market, IoT, and enterprise solution would have helped Nokia remain relevant and competitive. Nokia bureaucratic structure, slow decision making and innovation. To improve efficiency, the company should have adopted agile and lean practices to shorten product developer cycle and improve time to market. Cost reduction could have been achieved through open innovation partnership and outsourcing non-core activity. Lastly, simplify internal processes and flattening the organizational structure. In conclusion, by innovating its business model and optimizing organization performance, Nokia could have adapted more effectively to industry and sustain its competitive advantage. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Suzy Razlin binti Roshami. My matrix number is B0624100313. Today, I will talk about the key roadmap of Nokia. This roadmap is divided into 3 phases to ensure gradual and sustainable development. In the short term, the main focus is on strengthening the existing 5G foundation by upgrading network infrastructure, training employees in 5G cloud technologies, and building strong partnerships with telecom operators. This phase is important to ensure stable network performance and to prepare the workforce, while risks such as skill gaps and implementation delays are managed through training and pilots projects. In the medium term, the company focuses on growth and efficiency by expanding 5G solutions to enterprise clients, introducing AI-driven network management system, and entering emerging markets. These initiatives help increase the number of enterprise customers, reduce operational costs, and improve competitiveness, even though challenges like high R&D costs and market competition may occur. In the long term, the strategy is aimed at future readiness and sustainability. This includes investing in 6G research and development, implementing green network solutions, and achieving global leadership in next-generation connectivity. Potential risks such as technological uncertainty and regulatory issues are addressed through collaboration with governments and universities, ensuring long-term innovation and compliance. And that's all from me. Thank you.
To wrap up our Nokia case study, here are the 3 big takeaways. First, what we found is Nokia fell because it didn't change with the times. It was too slow to move from basic phones to smartphones. it got comfortable and stopped looking ahead. Second, how new ideas could have helped if Nokia had a better leaders who act fast, make smart partnership and welcome new ideas. Things could be different. Being more open to change was a key. And third, what means for the long run. With those changes, Nokia could have been kept customer closer, found new ways to make money, and ready for the next big tech shifts. The bottom line is to survive, you must see the coming change and move fast. If you don't innovate, you will disappear. That's all from us. Thank you.